Welcome to our slow and gentle yoga class to calm your mind and to relieve stress and tension from your body. To begin, come into a cross-legged seat. Rest your palms on your knees, soften your gaze or close your eyes, and take a couple of deep inhalations and exhalations. Let's add some movement. Gently circle your upper body, slight arch as you lean forward to the left, running back to the right and forward. 3 more, adding as much movement in your spine as you like. Now reverse for 4 circles, tuning into your body without any expectations, without any judgment. Return to center. Place your left hand onto the mat and stretch your right arm over to the left side, keeping your sit bones grounded. Release and twist to the left. Your right hand comes to your left thigh, your left hand is behind you, your gaze comes to the left. Unwind and ground your right hand, stretching your left arm over. Release and twist to the right. Left hand rests on your right leg. Your right hand is on the mat, you're gazing to the right side. Beautiful. Unwind and make your way onto your hands and knees, tabletop position. Extend your left leg back, toes grounded, and gently begin to rock forward and backwards, stretching into your left leg. Now lift your left leg up and draw the knee to your nose, rounding the spine. Extend and knee forward. Once more. And now step your left foot between your hands for a low lunge. Adjust as you need. And gently lift your upper body. Place your hands to your front leg and allow your hips to sink down. Take a deep inhalation, stretch both arms up, And exhale, circle your hands to the mat. Your left arm reaches up for a gentle twist. Release your left hand to the inside of your front foot to come into a side angle variation. Your back leg turns to open your hip and your right arm reaches up. Beautiful. Rise up and find your kneeling side plank on your right hand and knee, your left arm reaching by your ear. Option to stay here, or lift your left foot and get a hold of it with your left hand. Draw the foot to your hips or come into a slight back bend, whatever feels best for you. Unwind back to kneeling side plank and release into child's pose. Slowly make your way into tabletop again and extend your right leg back, toes on the mat, and gently rock forward and back. Now lift your right leg up and draw the knee forward, rounding the spine. Extend and forward. One more time. And now step into low lunge. Gently rise up and rest your hands to your front leg, enjoying the beautiful stretch. Inhale as you reach your arms up. And exhale, ground your hands. Your right arm circles up into a gentle twist. Ground your right hand and come into the mini side angle by slightly turning your back leg and reaching your left arm up. Your shoulder helps to stretch your front leg. Carefully rise up and come into kneeling side plank on your left hand and knee. Again, you can stay here or lift your upper leg. With your free hand, draw the foot to your hips or come into a gentle bend, listening to what your body needs today. Unwind, kneeling side plank, and release into child's pose. Slowly make your way into a seated position on your glutes and bring the soles of your feet together for butterfly pose, allowing your knees to sink apart. With your inhalation, find length through your spine, and exhale very gently fold forward, coming into your expression of this pose. We're staying here for a couple of breaths. Slowly release and extend your legs forward, maybe keeping your knees slightly bent. You can stay upright, hold onto your knees or reach for your toes. Again, coming into whatever variation you need today. Don't pressure yourself into anything, don't judge, just be kind to yourself. Unwind, ground your hands behind you for support, and place your left ankle onto your right knee, seated pigeon, finding length through your back. You can stay here or come into fire log for a deeper stretch. For that, bring your right shin down parallel to the short side of your mat and place your left leg on top. Left ankle on your right knee, stay upright or fold forward. Unwind and find your seated pigeon with your right ankle on your left knee, lengthening your neck. Again, stay here or come into fire log by stacking your right shin over your left, coming into a fold if that's within your practice today. Unwind, ground your hands again, and allow both knees to sink to the left and to the right. Back to center and cross your legs. Rest your hands to your knees, palms up for receiving or down for grounding, and begin to soften your gaze, maybe closing your eyes if that feels good. Gently slow down your breath and bring your awareness inward, enjoying this beautiful moment of stillness. Very gently blink your eyes open. Take a deep inhalation as you reach your arms up. And exhale, bring your hands to your heart, bowing down and thanking yourself for your wonderful practice today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed today's class and I can't wait to flow with you again. Bye!